If you're wondering how to cancel a ticket on this Ticketnew website, now listen to this tutorial very carefully. Now, they have clearly stated that, listen to this, can I cancel the ticket if I book them by mistake or I prefer another short time? As per law, tickets once booked cannot be cancelled or replaced. Also, it's impossible to make changes in the show timings, date, or seats once the tickets are booked. So, Ticketnew website has clearly stated that, as per the law, tickets once booked cannot be cancelled or replaced. So, maybe you ask yourself, can you get a refund? Now, they have clearly stated here, Ticketnew does not offer any refunds or exchanges of tickets purchased on Ticketnew website or via phone. In addition, tickets purchased through Ticketnew will be subjected to a non-refundable per ticket convenience charge. So that's it. And maybe if you want more information, you can contact Ticketnew website. Contact Ticketnew support. So if you scroll down to this website, if you go to ticketnew.com, you will see the option which is called inquiry. So select support service, and if you click on this page here, you'll be able to contact their support team. But for your information, it's impossible since as per the law, tickets once booked cannot be cancelled or replaced.